Hello guys, Michi Trades here. So I'm going to be giving a GBPJPY outlook where I gave an outlook on my previous video, yeah, but unfortunately I got stopped out about here. So this was my POI, right? And I think at that point when at this my entry point there was a news impact. So but I still got stopped out. So today I'm going to be giving another outlook here, and if you guys have noticed, I've not been posting recently. Yeah, I went on a break so that I can because I had exams. So, but now I'm back full time. So let's get straight to the analysis. Well, I started as usual. I'm using top down analysis and smart money concepts here. So if you want to know how I plotted out this my zones, right? This my zones. Sorry, these zones. This one, and this one. You can check my previous video, or I'll just give you a quick summary. So I just mark out zones that have high number of touches on recent chart, right? Eventually, sorry, actually, I was not meant to use this particular zone because it's far away from price, right? But I just used it. These are the two main zones that I'm meant to use. So if you look at this zone, you can see that there are a few touches, rejections of this zone, and this zone too, rejections of this zone. So those are my two daily zones, right? On weekly zones, I use weekly and daily, but in this case I did not see any zone to use on the weekly, right? So after that I move to the 4 hours time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame I look for I go straight to analyzing my trade, and I forgot to know something. And on daily time frame I also saw this trend line, right? Price has been following this trend line, and now it has broken it with momentum, right? So now we're expecting a pullback, a downward move. Now on the 4 hours time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, at this point, right here, at this point right here, I was actually waiting for a trade. Um, yeah, at this point right here, I was actually waiting for a trade, right? Because I saw a break of structure. Because I saw a break of structure here. Sorry. Um, I saw a break of structure here. And okay, yeah, I saw a break of structure there, and I was expecting a pullback into this other block there for entries. This other block has not been tested. So I was expecting pullback into the zone. So I was expecting a pullback. That was the pullback I was looking for. Right. I went to 1 hour time frame also to look for my liquidity. Right. And I spotted liquidity around here. This was equal loose to me. Sorry. This is equal loose to me. That's my liquidity zone. Right. Then on 15 minutes I waited for my confirmation. Sorry. But the fact that it was market was consolidating here, I did not see any confirmation, any value confirmation, right? So this trade was like a no trade for me because of there was no value confirmation there. That's why I did not take this trade. But I think eventually it's in later push back down. Yeah, it's in push back down there. So after that push down, yeah, so you can see the push down there. So after that push down, I took this zone as a change of character here, expecting it. I took it as a change of character. I'm going to mark it as X because market broke the previous low. But in but when price came back up to our other block, it invalidated it here, right? So after that, it broke structure again here. After this break of structure, I was also expecting a pullback into another block. At this point, since price was still above that my daily trend line, I was still bullish, right? So now this was the breakout for me, the break of structure there, right? And as expect, I put another. This is my other block for buyers. Price also validated it. Now after that, price changed character and also broke our trend line, and it also broke a key level, as our daily key level tone analysis, right? So after that, I saw two zones, right? I marked out, but the zone I'm going to be looking at mostly is this my FVG zone, my 4 hours FVG. This is the zone I'm going to be looking at the most. Another zone is this other block that's above these 4 hours, right here, right? This other block, but I'm not going to be like, I'm going to use the zone, but I just want to mark out my 4 hours FVG because that's the one I might likely use. So now my outlook for this GPGPY looks like this. I'm expecting on 1 hour to give me a liquidity or inducement level, right? Then after that, I'm expecting it to pull back into the trend line, trade downwards, breaking this structure downwards, right? Giving another inducement level, then trading into this breaker block right here or another block above. But I'm expecting a breaker block here. So if it gives a breaker block, then I'm going to take another trade there. Then downwards to this zone. Right. So this is how it looks basically for me. Yeah, there. Sorry. Mistake. Yes, like this. So this is like basically my outlook for GPJPY. Right. It's a very simple analysis. Yeah. So what I'm basically looking for now is my liquidity zone, or I'll say inducement zone. Right, I'm expecting to get like a double top here at this zone, a double top. I'm expecting liquidity build there, right, before the market takes it out. So this this is like my trading plan for GPGPY. See you guys on the next one. So my next video, I'll be posting outlook on gold. Yeah, so you guys should watch out for that video too. Thank you.